Java map interface. Map contain a value on the basis value of the basis of a key, equation, key and value pair. Each key and value pair is known as the entry. Known as the entry. Map contains unique keys. Map contains unique key. Map is useful. A map is useful. If the same value you have to search update for the delete element on the key value basis of key value and pair. The map in the map, the Java map is the concept of map. The hash link map, hash map is the different type of map. Map is not the collection of interface. The map is the different type of value. Map is the interface or implement in a Java map. In Java map, the consist of the different sorted map and three classes and three classes: hash map, link map, hash map, link hash map, link hash map, and third one is tree map. The hierarchical of the map is the container three classes. First one is hash map, link hash map, and tree hash map. Is also known as hierarchical of the map, and it is the three main classes of map. Very important in map. So you can a map doesn't allow duplicate. Map doesn't allow duplicate keys, but you can have you cannot have duplicate values pair. You can get the one by one value in hash map using the link hash map and key. Allow null key and values, but allow null keys and values, but tree map doesn't allow any null keys value. So our today's topic is map is end. In map is the concept of the very important topic map, because map is the different operation performed on the collection interface and their method. So our today's topic is end. I will meet on our next video topic. Thank you so much.